Blake eating green beans, and he's not a big fan of them. Blake, eat the green beans. Yummy. Blake, you have to eat your vegetables. Have another bite, okay? Take another bite. Blake, don't you like your green beans? Really? You love your green beans, don't you? You don't like your green beans? You liked your carrots. Yummy, 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 yummy. They're good for you. You're good for you, Blake. You don't like green beans? The doctor said to keep giving them to you. He only does this with green beans and peas. You want something better? Let's try something better, okay? Let me go get your peaches.